In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create headings in Obsidian to organize your notes and build a structured, navigable knowledge base. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by launching Obsidian on your device and opening the vault where you want to work. From there, either select an existing note or create a new one to practice with, just something simple where you can test out the heading levels. Click inside the note editor and position your cursor exactly where you want the first heading to appear. To create a level 1 heading, which acts as your main title, simply type a hash symbol. That's the number sign followed by a space, and then enter your heading text. Hit enter to complete that heading line and move down to the next line, ready for content. For a level 2 heading, which is perfect for a subsection, type 2 hash symbols, again followed by a space, and then your subsection title. Press enter, and Obsidian will format it as a smaller, distinct heading. To go a level deeper for more granular detail, use 3 hash symbols for a level 3 heading. You can continue this pattern all the way to 6 hash symbols for deeper levels, but in practice, you'll likely only need 3 or 4. Now, start adding content beneath each heading. Write your notes under the appropriate section, so related information stays grouped together. Build a simple outline by creating one main heading and several subheadings underneath it, dividing a long note into logical sections to improve readability and navigation. Once you've got your headings in place, switch to Reading View or Live Preview to see how Obsidian formats them with different font sizes and styles. Review your heading hierarchy to ensure the levels follow a logical order. Try not to skip from a level 1 straight to a level 3, as that can confuse the structure. Open the outline pane from the sidebar if it isn't visible yet. This will display all headings in your current note as a clickable list. Click any heading there to jump directly to that section, which is incredibly handy for long documents. As your note evolves, feel free to rename a heading by simply editing the text. Update section titles whenever your content shifts. Make it a habit to use consistent heading styles across all your notes so your entire vault is easier to browse. For large documents, break them into multiple sections using headings to clearly separate topics. Finally, scroll through your note and confirm that the headings create a clear, logical hierarchy. Apply this practice to every major note: projects, meeting notes, research documents, and knowledge articles, and you'll end up with well-organized notes that are easy to read and maintain. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.